Rhyming words for kids. Fun English learning with pictures and sounds. Rhyming words are words that end with the same sound. Example, dog, frog. Don't they rhyme together? Now children, read the following sentences. Can you hear which words rhyme? Are you ready? A frog is on a dog. A frog on a dog. So the words are frog and dog. A bee in the sea. A bee in the sea. So bee and sea rhyme together. Now use the pictures on the following slides to complete the rhyming sentences. Are you ready, children? A cat with a bat. A cat with a bat. A fly with a tie. A fly with a tie. An ant on a plant. An ant on a plant. Now this is funny, children. Sheep on a jeep. Sheep on a jeep. And the last one, children. A bear under a chair. A bear under a chair. So this brings us to the end of the video, children. If you liked it, please subscribe.